Imagine a full day where every decision you make actually counts. Every minute matters. Sounds impossible? That's exactly where the power starts. Today might look like just another day, but the choices you make right now can transform not just these hours, but your entire future. It doesn't matter if you feel like you can never stick to a habit or if your focus shatters with every notification. This challenge is for anyone willing to commit. Everything starts with one single decision: acting differently and acting consciously. Make a pact with yourself. For the next few minutes, give this your full attention. What you're about to learn isn't just advice. It's a routine that pressures your discipline, strengthens your focus, and expands your ability to act. Are you ready to feel that impact in real life? Today's challenge has 6 steps you will apply immediately. These steps build the foundation to start changing your life, and each action connects to the next, forming a daily cycle that reinforces habits and creates real results. Let's start with the first: your morning routine. Studies from Baumeister and Tierney show that strong morning habits increase focus and self-control. Wake up at the same time. Move your body. Take a shower that wakes your energy. Plan your goals for the day. Picture opening your eyes with clarity while most people are still fighting to get out of bed. That feeling of control over your own day sets the tone for everything that follows. By taking command of your morning, you've already strengthened your attention. Now it's time to protect that advantage. Step 2 is reducing digital distractions, because without control over your attention, all your previous effort can disappear. Reducing digital distractions is essential. Notifications fragment focus and drain productivity. Silence your apps. Put your phone out of reach. Picture finishing something meaningful while others waste hours scrolling feeds. You didn't just gain time, you moved ahead of a huge part of the population by doing that. With your attention protected, the next challenge is mastering yourself. Reducing distractions is powerful, but if you keep giving in to small temptations, your focus stays fragile. That's why step 3 is self-control. Michelle's Marshmallow Test showed that resisting small temptations strengthens long-term discipline. Today, skip unnecessary sugar. Practice resisting the urge to check your phone and similar behaviors. Every win, even a small one, builds discipline and confidence. Each time you hold the line, you feel that mental strength growing, while others keep surrendering to impulse. With self-control in motion, you're ready to turn effort into real outcomes. That's where step 4 comes in. Deep work. This is where concrete results are born. Cal Newport shows that long stretches of distraction-free concentration create exponential productivity. Choose one important task. Prepare your environment. Sink into it completely. Picture the satisfaction of finishing something that truly matters, while others lose hours scattered and unfocused. This is where effort turns into visible achievement. After investing total focus, it's time to look at your day and connect everything you did. Step 5 is daily reflection on mistakes and wins. Write down 3 victories, 3 lessons from failures, and what you'll do tomorrow to improve. Emmons and McCullough show that writing about achievements increases well-being and reinforces habits. This ties your day together, creating a daily growth loop that actually changes your life. And later, your old notes become proof of how far you've come. With everything recorded, your body and mind are ready to lock in the progress. The final step is guaranteeing quality sleep. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours. Walker and the National Sleep Foundation show that sleep consolidates learning, regulates hormones, and restores energy. Turn off screens. Don't overload on water at night. Keep the room dark and cool. Build a relaxing shutdown routine. Restorative sleep turns effort into lasting progress and prepares you to repeat this cycle even stronger tomorrow. Understand this: the hours you invest today are not just another day. They're a decisive journey that builds clarity, focus, and discipline for the months ahead. Each step feeds the next, and repeating this cycle daily creates real transformation. So the question is simple: are you actually going to invest these hours in yourself and find out what you're capable of? Protocol active. Subscribe to maintain the pace. Most will forget this lesson in seconds. Don't be one of them. Your next directive is on the screen. Stay disciplined.